Hello everyone! Today I am sharing my summer salad recipe. This is a phenomenal salad, one I will make again and again. It is an easy and healthy recipe for your day-to-day nutritional needs. Also, it is a great way to load up on vegetables for an easy dinner or make for weekly meal prep. I mean, seriously, what's not to like? It's fresh, delicious, and totally make a hit. Trust me, it's one of the best summer salad. If you like this video, don't forget to tell me in the comment section below and to hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome, and make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.